si che dok tok mai so mai chari pon bo mai pho ke hai pin long so mai long ka chitong don tum ka ching hon Assam Police Additional Superintendent Diuri ke hai Pendang Lok Magistrate lapen press media lapen karbilo chali song nile tum wangrapet jirpo jirpi do anaphan ke chengsi nile karbilo chali song akadom pajelo kardom ini jasamet Ladakh Karbi Khasia lapen Nepali community do but they are linguistic latum kado beta Karbi alam chini punili chini pame aposi nilis tame Karbi alam ben sike jaya phanse pachini apor jenik po thihek men asike chengsi pini umla pher hawar long emithang along pat emina hem along pila buson niletum kapiri nang kaita kachi song nang ia phan emina hem along chu huk ave ki chu na huk ave tum kachi song ni man kai ta to war nang karjap nang labang ge tum ning miltan ning duk piglo lapen labang so pini lapsan kachi plang nang de ta por bang ke nili kar bilo chali song hin pen putak ji nili madu phanta ka phiri lam ave hok pe alam hote nili putak ji laga el tum kar bilo tum mas council tum kachari ke plan play lapen state government tum nang ke lang pang kre polo jong si nangli hemalong jong si nangli an ki chu hu ko vedat potang le sasolong le lang padong nali ki to ye tu men ka chitoy do na ratas arleng ki thetum kuan si tu manang kang hon ma pini dak se chitik dak la si se le son pini political meeting ali sita nili lingjenang kok solam ke athela ke clear nali tum ke phona ke phutum chichini dak lo ke nali tu matu ta kam kami kali ke matu ta hem ki klem nang kam kami pin kali sita pini people na tum dagwang nang kok ke nali tum long ri long pat ka ching hon jok si pina karja nang itung jong silong le ching hon he nang itung jong sinang hem nang rit ka ching hon kali itu makar biang long ching hon he posante anu tinta wang do ista pini wang nang ko pe porlo la ke ile tum ka chetoy dun arleng ke tum ke chok che ek number de ko polo pini ke ron tu la sikar bilo chale sam tum ke nile tum ke wang merji non da nile tum ke Ladakh ke nile tum pini vote nang chuhanga meeting le nile ki bigali na pen nile vote ka chuhang ya dor karta be kar bilo chale song pen men tune te election thu pe la banal tum chini dak kami la simile tum ke nal tum kisum lo plata nile tum arja abdunji nangli tum ta nile tum santhot nangli tum ta karbiang long dora pet ile tum angbong ile tum kai ke dora pet thak pet ile tum ke korte muti saite lo pumathasi pinida ke nepali palam ave pinda gorkha palam ave pininda ke khasia palam ave pawan najir kiting bra tum dora pet ke pinyan de tum ka chichok ka chhong ave la se ko phansi tum prepared on wrong la so mentally bangal tum katung la ta tu de nahi jana tu modern civilization along. Every race in this world is trading toward a threshold of science and technology. Science technology atawar along ke dam bang apor hosti kachi threng kachi chok pensi solution ke wanji bukai komen tuni ta un elo dam tu. La si tu masi tu ke phiri jo masi bang le putai tum bang le jalo nang ninju tai tum chichak lu nahi la puta kali. Arona teng ta nili tum ta chin sai tu na. Arona teng pe tum char chok tu na. Ili tum pudu lo ke neli mephang masih pudun dak lo nang li pia kang lo dak kiwang lo alang li nang chethan lo ne ke disita sini phan invitation do meeting do mai do pasini li wang ingang lo amba neli ke avenue chini ne dak posita kan wang joilo neli theng dun phit phit ke lasi theng phit nang ne arjunang la arjudan dang ta chok che dak lo pultang te rada tum ke theng ke chok kam claim ri don tu rada tum ke theng ke chok kam claim ri Ladakh ka bisar ya phan itun ke ituma society ka pe mesen ya phan ituma society ka ta kan phir jir ya phan aka hilo ka pe ya phan ke itun lasi law and order itun ke salam lo ke police military itun ka salam lo ke lasi lahaya between the Karbi Anglong and the Meghalaya and also to the western part like the Chirikindang like Khirmis and also you can see the problems that often used to arise in the Khanduli areas, and recently this happened in this Chinthong constituency in the upper Chinthong areas like Umla Ferry. So we could say that these problems happen often. This is because of the total failure of the government of Assam as well as the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council.
Sir, as we have seen the vandalizations as well, so do you think that the police administrations of Assam has failed to bring peace in here as we have seen the vandalization?
Definitely, the government of Assam. On one part, we can say that the government of Assam retreat from the police of Meghalaya, as we could see from the incident that happened one day ago. So we appeal the government of Assam to send more or to deploy more police personnel in the areas, and then to erect or to establish the uh, uh, border patrol outposts here in Umlafer, so that the life and security of the people around here are safe.
And as far as the discussions between the Meghalaya and the Assam Special, Himanta Biswa Sharma and Conrad Sangma, both the Chief Minister, and they have made a statement that they will maintain a status quo. So, seeing these vandalizations and seeing this all the violence here, do you think that they have broken all the status quo they have made?
Of course, of course. The government of Assam and the government of Meghalaya, they had a meeting for more than twice, and we have seen the meeting had been organized by the Assam counterpart in Guwahati. And in that meetings, they both discussed and they held a discussion, and they both agreed upon maintaining the status quo in the sensitive areas like a border, all the border areas of Karbi Anglong, just Karbi Anglong. But since the incident that happened in the 2 days ago, which happened in Umlafer area, it's very unfortunate, and is from one part that the government of Meghalaya have just broken the status quo that to be maintained by both of the states.
So do you want to say about this, whether this is a political issue or a border issue?
Yeah, this is so to say. Actually, whatever the problems surfaces every time, as we see, this based on the border issues. But I don't think that this is a border issue. Why? Because we have got the autonomous council, and this is one of the oldest autonomous council in the history in the Indian Constitution. That is this is a constitutional binding autonomous council. So after the after the government of India, when they conferred the autonomous council to Karbi Anglong, the boundary has been totally demarcated. So there is nothing to be confused about the border. But since this happen all the time, so I think this is not a. I just think that this is only a political issue. The political leaders often used to take advantage on this, and they only work for just own personal interests.
As the government have taken decisions to construct a lot of developmental works here, especially the state universities and a lot of things here. So, do you think that it's constructing all the developmental works here in the western part of Karbi Anglong is convenient and enough to develop the border area?
See, to construct a university in West Karbi Anglong, the state university, is only a pen and paper yet. Not yet seen. We have not yet seen constructing the university also. But as far as our knowledge is concerned, to save the entire boundaries of the Karbi Anglong district and West Karbi Anglong district, there should be establishment of border patrol posts in all the disputed areas. That will solve the problems that arises of it.
Thank you very much.
Up there, keep their vigil. We have requested DC Revoid to see that no people come from that side to here. Yesterday what occurred over here, so that doesn't happen. So we discussed on that, and we will also maintain our side peace. So I requested our superintendent of police to ensure that people do not become agitated, and we discussed about law and order situation.